here live at the FICC 2025, live from Berlin. I'm here with Javier Naranjo. Javier, welcome.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Can you tell us a bit about your academic journey so far?
Yes, I am a telecommunication engineer from the Polytechnical University of Valencia in Spain.
Yeah.
When I finished my master's degree, I joined a startup where I started working with machine listening solutions. That is the capability of creating AI algorithms that are able to extract relevant information from audio data, non-speech audio data. We say it environmental, industrial audio data. We were trying to create a smart home system for deaf people, and that's the research I have been carrying out. I joined the Technological Institute of Informatics in Valencia in 2021, and I'm since then working in these technologies.
Okay. Can you tell us about the paper?
Yes, we designed an active learning model. That is an active learning model tries to select in an intelligent manner samples that have to be labeled by humans. We had a use of case in the Port of Valencia where we deployed seven recording nodes that were recording more or less 24/7. So we ended up after 1 year with 5 million audios, and we had to label that. So it was impossible, of course. So we designed a strategy in order to select the most relevant ones. Okay.
And why is that research important?
Because I think nowadays the audio domain is not explored as visual, speech, etc. So first of all, in this domain we need audio databases. We have some audio databases that are public, but are not huge enough as image.
You want to expand that database?
Yeah, of course. That's the main goal.
Makes sense to me. So was there anything during your research which happened what you didn't expect, but was interesting nonetheless?
As I said, in other domains, the researcher has only to focus on the artificial intelligence solution, but that's not the case in our domain when we first have to take care about the data because we don't have enough data.
Having done this research, how will this change the world?
Well, I think audio is an untapped potential source of information that has not been explored. So I hope that in the future, more multimodal solutions will appear in the market, in the industry, using image, speech, audio, environmental audio, etc.
Okay, and who will benefit from that in the end?
More robustness, because when you have a full picture of the scenario, you can make better decisions.
How have you found the conference so far?
Very great, very great. I enjoy most of the sessions. I met a lot of new colleagues, so it's
always
fun.
Good. Did you have any chance happen to go on the boat tour as well?
Yes, I did to the trip yesterday, and I really enjoyed the trip in the river of Berlin.
Excellent. So I have some rapid fire question for you. Maybe you can give a short answer, a short sentence, or just one word. What's an important skill for a researcher to have?
I would say the intention to novelty, be aware of novelty, novel solutions,
which industry will be most transformed by AI in the upcoming 5 years?
I hope in industry, especially, well, the use of case we are working is the Port of Valencia, so I hope industry, open spaces in our case, airports, etc., etc.
Okay. Artificial intelligence or human intelligence?
Both. I think we need to combine both sources of information. As I work with audio, as I said, more sources of information make more robust predictions.
AI consciousness, is it possible?
I hope so.
You hope so? Okay, fair enough. What is a big research motivation for you personally?
Try to improve solutions that are now deployed, but not just audio, and they can be benefit by it.
Okay. Is there a book or a resource you'd recommend for people interested in your field?
Not too much information about audio. I would recommend the Detection and Classification Acoustic Event Challenge that is performed annually, and there is a challenge, and people can participate in the open tasks.
Okay. Wow, sounds good. Finally, is there any good advice you ever had as a researcher which might be worthwhile to share here?
Just try to improve your solution.
Always. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.